So we are here in Manoj Street. So dito kami kumain after from Alwarsan. After namin tumingin ng plants and bumili si Carlos ng plants.
Yes.
Hindi ako bumili kasi I have to make my own divide. Ang pangit kasi kung i-dump ko lang siya dun sa bahay, especially my husband, masyado siyang maarte. So I have to buy, I have to organize it before ako bumili. I mean, yung lagayan. So yeah, we're having salad. And it's a spicy Bulgari chicken eme. Right? So while we are eating our pizza, we will eat this. So yun guys,
Pag-usapan natin about
we
Dubai.
will talk about Dubai.
Pag pumunta sila dito,
Yeah, what is the advantage and disadvantage here in Dubai? So first, let's go to advantage. Ang advantage dito is the nature and the people, safe na siya. Kahit maglakad ka dito ng hanggang alas 12, nothing will happen to you. And safe. Yung pamumuhay dito is super cool in a way of how you can say, mura yung bilihin sa pagkain, but advantage naman is sa bahay. So yun ang lifestyle dito. And in terms of career, kung sa Pinas, let's say you want to earn more, definitely yes, if you can come here, magiging double yung salary mo. But the thing is, yung
dahil sa
expense-
ano? Dahil sa
The value.
The value. Kasi
for example, in Philippines, you're earning 25,000 and you will be here, like, you will earn start of 3.5, I guess. It's depend the position that you have. So it will be equivalent into 48 something or in not 50,000.
1 dirham is equivalent to 13 point.
Yeah, it will be, no, it's not. Because I'm paying my house.
Cost of living, you mean?
No. I'm talking about the value. Okay, for example, 3.5, it's 3,500 dirhams into 30. So 45,000. 45,000 you're earning here. If suppose you are earning 25,000 in Philippines and you wanted to come here, so definitely the salary what you have, it will be more, almost double. Right? But the thing is, yung pagbayad dito is mahal. I mean, yung expenses, mahal sa bahay. Pero sa pagkain is right? And if you will ask, paano yung paghanap ng trabaho? Madali ba? So, all I can say,
Depende sa'yo.
it depends sa'yo kasi parang pangingisda lang yan eh. You know, yung kung hindi ka focus mangisda, wala kang makukuha ng isda. So what you have to do, you have to hard work na makakuha ka ng trabaho and all the website kailangan mong puntahan. Kasi dito naman, yung pag-a-apply dito by the way, kasi hindi siya katulad sa Pinas na mag-walk-in ka. Dito, may mga online site siya, mga website kung saan makikita mo yung mga current position na hinahanap nila.
Meron silang bait.com,
Yeah, may
Nokrigo,
Dobby sells there. Actually, Dobby sells yung pinakauna. Mayroong College Time, mayroong Lucky Golf, mayroong Bite.com, Bite.com or Bite.com? Bite.com, yeah, Bite.com.
Bayot Baklava.
Yeah, because the spelling itself, Bayet, something like that. So it's Bite.com. And ano pa ba? So marami siyang site.
Ngayon, LinkedIn.
Yeah, more in LinkedIn now. Tapos paano ba? So far, so yun yung magiging advantage na pag nandito kayo sa trabaho. And by the way guys, may mentality kasi tayo mga Pilipino na sinasabi nila na if you are not a bachelor degree, you would not be able to
Get a job.
get a job here.
Which is happening in Philippines.
Which is, it's happening in Philippines. That is the mentality what we have there, alright? But here, it's, all I can say is,
Wala.
It's a stupid mindset. Here in Dubai is walang, they don't care about the degree what you have. What they care is about the experience and the knowledge what you have in order to distribute.
Pizza.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, how you can say, kung paano mo siya ma-apply sa organization in order to be more successful the organization, yung magbibigay ka ng idea and the way you work with them. So, he doesn't care about the degree. And guys, for you, I mean, for your information, like, you can get the position what you want here also in Dubai because of the experience what you have, right? It's about the experience. Hindi siya katulad sa atin na because you're having a high education and all these things, so you will get this salary and all these things, right? I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I mean, most is like that, right? In the computation, like, I mean, computation is that pag sinabi nilang they are graduated from degree or let's say mataas na eskwelahan, you know, the expensive school. So, yeah, like, sasabihin nila mga computation ko is from this school, from that school. So, it's here, it's not necessary. Imagine na, yung iba nagkakaroon sila ng guidance.
I think, ano yan,
Ang hapalagyan. I'm sorry.
pwede, pero ano siya, just oil siya. It isn't oil. Madaming oil. I think meron pa siya sa loob.
I think this is the sauce. It's a spicy. So, I'm that much hungry na guys. While talking. So, ganun siya dito. Dito guys, magkakaroon kayo ng high position. Hindi sa pinag-aralan mo, but it's because of experience. Right? So, the way Carlota is working as, what is your position?
Recruitment consultant.
She's recruitment consultant. But the thing is, it's related with what she had a degree. Because she graduated psychology. And I'm working as a sales manager in group companies.
Tumulpo ba yan sa Pilipinas? Kasi si nurse siya. Nurse bang kinuha?
No,
Pag-type? Programming, okay? Sa Pilipinas, kapag programming ka, sa possible, na nasa mga software company ka or mga software developers.
yeah, web developer company, yeah. So dito, no, it's not necessary na mga pinag-aralan mo is this, you have to apply for it. As long as you can handle the responsibility or the position what they are offering you, as long as you can handle. And guys, there are, ang ginagawa nila is tinitignan nila yung experience, I mean, yung, how you can say, performance ng 6 months. Right? So, ganun dito. And earning more, yes, 100% possible. But again, I said, depends the experience what we have here. Pag nandito ka sa Dubai, you will start earning at 3,000, minimum of 3,000, right? Because we started here, how much? 2,500, right? In Iko,
Yeah.
3,000, yeah, 3,000. When I was here in 2013, I started to get salary of 3,000.
Sa ikong billion.
No,
Ay, hindi.
my first company, sa April, I'm getting 3,500. Yeah. So, ganon. Tapos, okay, let's talk about lifestyle. Dito guys, dito guys, kailangan mong magtipid. Kasi hindi kami dito katulad sa Pilipinas na pag wala na kaming pera, mangingutang kami kung kami-kanina. Right? So, dito wala. Like,
Asahan mo sarili mo.
asahan mo yung sarili mo, you have to adjust. Kumbaga meron tayong sinasabi, matuto kang mamaluktot. Right? So dito, most of us, gano'n. Diba? So hindi ibig sabihin na nasa abroad, kaya masarap ang buhay namin. Kasi guys, bakit? The more na nag-earn kami ng ganito, the more na nag-expect ang parents natin, family. I'm sorry to say, but that's the mentality. Right?
Yes.
And what guys? Lahat nandito na. Nightlife. If gusto mong gumala, everywhere, like maybe distance of 3 kilometers, meron na naman siyang mall. Di ba? And what else? Accessible siya sa lahat. Ano pa? I'm sorry. Gutom kami guys. Ano ba dito? Ano pa yung most tanong niya? Hindi ba nakakatakot ng mga lokal? Na maliit ang tanong. Mga, ang tawag nila is
Kamusta? Pagkain?
okay. Yeah. Ang tawag nila is Arabo. Di ba? Hindi guys, mababait sila. Di ba? Mababait sila. Kung magkaroon man ng mga abnormal, bibihira lang. Yeah. Dito napaka-stricto. Kung ano yung law, that is the law. You have to follow. Diba? Hindi ka tulad kay Kim Chua.
Kung bako lang mo kasi ako lang.
Sa classroom may batas. Hindi dito, pag halimbawa, like lockdown, bawal lumabas yung mga bata. Right? Kami, pwede kaming lumabas kung meron kaming permit. Right? But if you don't have a permit, you are not allowed to go outside. Right? I think yun ang gusto ni Kim Chuk ipaliwanag. Yun ang gustong ipaliwanag ni Kim Chuk, but the thing is hindi niya na ipaliwanag ng maayos. Na-refer niya as a classroom.
Classroom ay ba?
Sa classroom may batas. So, ganun dito, nung lockdown, hindi ka basta-basta makakalabas kung wala kang permit. Diba? Yeah. So, it means, very strict. Kailangan mong sundin yung law. Right? Law is law for them. Ano pa? Tourist spot? Tourist spot here, guys. Nandito na lahat. If you want to experience like the ambience is like Europe, there is, right? May tinatawag kami dito ang pasyalan na Global Village. It's a nice place also, guys. Lahat, all continents of the world, nandun na siya. Diba? If you want to experience Europe, na-experience mo. By the way, it's nice.
Yeah. I think this is
This is greens. I think if it's greens, what do you think?
ano na kasing tawag yan? Kasi bumibili ako nito eh. Nalimutan ko siya. Pero ano siya, parang Russian, ano siya. Kumbaga parang quinoa.
Quinoa.
Hindi siya quinoa. Kuya, ano na kasing tawag dito? Yung parang quinoa niya? Anong tawag niya kasi?
Bulgur, yan po yung pinaka-bulgur niya.
Ah, bulgur ang tawag dito?
Opo. Pinaka-bulgur seed niya po.
Ah, bulgur seed.
Okay.
Lahat na bulgur seed. At maraming Pilipino dito, by the way.
Karamihan ng staff sa mga hospitality like hotel, restaurants,
Basta hospital.
are Filipinos. Diba? Yun.
Pero masarap siya.
I like it. Bira lang nga lang pala kayo makita ni Carlota.
Kasi palagi siyang busy.
Palagi din siyang busy. At ako busy talaga ako. At since dalawa kami ng asawa ko dito, I have to divide my time. But when I'm still single, we used to go out. Yeah, like maybe like every two months we used to go out with the boys. Like once a month. Tapos
Saan pala tayo? Anong place to?
nandito kami guys. Still ito gawin kasi.
Sila ko dito.
Tapos, ano pa ba? Ah, ito pa pala. Ang kagandahan dito sa Dubai is even you have 100 dirham, kaya mo ma-survive yung pagkain. Diba? Sa atin, it's equivalent at 1,500 peso. Diba? Sa atin, pag nabariya mo na, wala na. Dito kasi madami mga sales na pagkain.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo. Chicken. Parang mas mura pa nga ang chicken dito kaysa sa Pilipinas.
150 sa Pinas eh. Dito mga kablita 8 yes. Yeah, ganun. Ano pa? Kung magtatanong kayo, paano makapunta ng Dubai? Noong araw mabilis. Ngayon mahigpit na.
Oo.
Kasi, na-avoid nila yung human trafficking. Di ba? Ngayon. So, nung araw, nung araw, mag-visit visa ka lang. For example, si Carlota yung sponsor ko. Ang gagawin mo, hindi ka magda-direct from Philippines to UAE. Ang gagawin mo is magpo-cross country ka.
Oo.
Diba? Pero ngayon, bawal na. If hindi mo siya related, hindi mo siya relatives, and she has to get certificate, salary certificate amount of 8,000, 10,000. Yeah, that is the new law now.
Hindi ko alam yun.
That is the new law now. You don't know? So, ganun na po yung patakaran ngayon. Nung araw,
Mas mabilis.
mas mabilis. Anytime. Pwede ka makapunta. Ako nakapunta ako dito because of my sister. So,
Ano? Hindi na. Ay, dati ko na.
yeah. Hindi ako na siya dito.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Tapos, yung husband ko, kasabay ni Carlota. Kasi that time hindi pa kami kasal. Diba? So, nagpunta siya dito, first country. Si Carlota ang nag-guide.
Kasama ko siyang pumunta ng Malaysia.
Pero hindi sila nag-enjoy. Kasi parang ginaidan lang niya. Kasi sabi ko, guide mo siya.
Ayaw niyang lumabas, nahihiya siya sa mga kasama ko.
So, doon lang siya sa loob.
Doon lang siya sa loob. Lumabas lang siya para ipaprint sa akin yung mga requirements niya. Kasi wala daw siyang pagpapaprintan at nahihiya siya sa reception area nung hotel na pag-stayan niya. So, ang ginawa ko, dun sa hotel ko, ako nagpaprint.
Kasi hindi siya makapag-in.
Mapanood ka ni Junjun. Ay, Junjun.
Nasa trabaho siya ngayon. Ang sarap ng kain namin, guys. No? Nagutom talaga kami. Guys, this is not my channel. This is not my YouTube channel. Nakaki-channel lang ako sa okay. Disadvantage. Ikaw, ano?
Disadvantage ng dito. Malayo ka sa Pilipinas. Ano? Malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Disadvantage is mas madaming puno sa atin. Disyerto pa rin po to, guys.
No.
Pero, madami na rin pero unlike Philippines na kahit saan. Tapos, ano pa bang disadvantage dito?
Malayo, malungkot. Hindi mo nakakain mo naman yung gusto mo.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi marami Philippines dito.
I think it's the disadvantage although.
Walang magandang beach.
No! Kung kapan. Out of Dubai. Out of Dubai and Dubai place. Fujairah. Maganda doon. Sobra. I was there before.
Pero walang tatalo naman sa Pilipinas beach. Merong beach dito pero depende sa standard nyo. I think. Kung ang standard nyo ay pang Pilipinas, yung standard, i-compare mo yung beach natin doon,
Mahal.
mas magandang tama ang Pilipinas.
Yeah. Dito kasi, desierto talaga. May dagat. May desierto. And what else? Ayun. Disadvantage dito. Hindi ka pwede magstay ng Dubai or ng UAE without visa. Sa atin. At saka pumunta.
Oh, meron pa. Lahat dito nabibili. Sa Pilipinas, kinukuha ang malunggay. Kinukuha. Ang malunggay dito is 8 dirhams.
Depends. Depends.
Which is around 100 pesos. Hinihingi lang po natin yan sa kapitbahay natin.
Walang libre.
Walang libre.
Walang libre dito.
Tubig.
Wala. Ano pa?
Disadvantage. Ano pa?
In terms of trabaho, disadvantage. So far sa trabaho naman, okay. Although kahit saan kasi may discrimination, hindi mawawala, diba?
Oo.
Dito naman, ang problema sa discrimination is bulgarang talagang discrimination.
Oo.
Diba? Face to face talaga sasabihin sa'yo. But it's depend on you guys how you can handle it. But we, as we used to hard it, we take it in positive way. Dito. Diba? Then, another one disadvantage, ang sahod namin is monthly. Diba? Diyan, is tapos
15 and
15
30.
and 30. Dito sa amin, katapusan talaga. So, you have to manage your money. Right? Hindi ka tulad dyan na okay lang kasi sa sahod ko rin after a week, after 2 weeks, di ba? But dito, pag ginastos mo yung pera mo within a week lang,
Wala.
mangingitim ka sa gutom. Hala? Yan. Masarap ito.
Ano ba?
Not right.
I think that's it. Kasi naka-23 na tayo.
Yeah, that's it guys.
Baka
We'll continue our eating. Bye!